Right, so I'm about to do laundry right now.
I gotta take a shower. No, 2 showers.
I know your medication. The medication I had drowsy. I know. But you alright, otherwise?
It's Major. Oh no! What did that slobber monster do now? He got lost. What? He's gone? I lost
Yeah, the medication I had disease.
But if you want to help,
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my family on the nose.
neighborhood to help me find him.
Understand something.
The whole
They have relationships with these people though. So that's that. I can't live here. I need to be in my own crib. Nobody should be following me. Nobody should be in my business. Nobody should be worried about nothing of me going on.
You did? But I will.
Come on, Debo.
You got a shirt?
Oh, you need a shirt. I gotta take a fucking shit.
Alright, but
You heard the door slam? Y'all heard the door slam, my nigga?
I'm gonna put you later.
Don't overhear nothing in somebody else's apartment ever. Let this be a lesson. Don't let nobody come to you and be like, do you know this person? And is she this and this and this? Just know something and live life. Back to I gave y'all a TV show. Get the fuck out of my home.